Pizza face. It's a derogatory term used to describe someone with severe acne. Example: that's not nice. You shouldn't call someone pizza face because of their acne. Fishwife. It means a loud and abusive woman. Example: she was screaming like a fishwife over the price of fish. Toy boy means to a young man who is in a relationship with an older woman. Example: everyone was surprised when she showed up with her new toy boy. Mistress means a woman who is having a romantic relationship with a married man. Example: he was caught spending time with his mistress. Body count refers to the number of people someone has slept with. Example: I don't care about someone's body count, it's the present that matters. Trophy wife means a young, attractive woman married to an older, wealthy man. Example: everyone knew she was his trophy wife, always flaunting her beauty. Henpecked means a man who is constantly nagged or dominated by his wife. Example: he's so henpecked, he never makes a decision without his wife. Yummy mommy refers to an attractive and fashionable mother. Example: she's a real yummy mommy, always looking fabulous with her kids. Cougar means to an older woman who prefers to date younger men. Example: she's known as a cougar in her social circle. Alpha female means to a dominant, strong, and successful woman. Example: she's the alpha female of the group, always taking charge. Kept woman is a woman who is financially supported by a lover, usually an older man. Example: she's a kept woman, living a luxurious life thanks to her partner. Ankle biter mean is a slang term for a small child. Example: the park was full of ankle biters playing and laughing. Sugar daddy mean is an older man who spends money on a younger woman in exchange for a relationship. Example: she found herself a sugar daddy who spoils her with gifts. Sugar baby mean to a young person who receives financial support from an older lover. Example: she's living the sugar baby lifestyle, always shopping and dining out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.